Alright, this is lesson 6 homework, and then I will work on question 10. Okay, so there are 10 books, they're different color, and there's only one combination is the correct order. Okay, now the question is not asking for probability, it's asking for odds. Okay, well, let's try probability first. Okay, so there's only one correct order out of how many ways to arrange these books? Okay, well, there are 10 books, so you arrange 10 books. So this is from last unit as well. Um, 4 of them are red, so 4 of them are alike. 4 of them are blue, and 2 of them are green. So if you do the math, the answer is 1 out of 3150. 1 out of 3150 is the probability. Okay, so now you put odds in favor. So you need to minus, right? You can turn any probability into odds, which is 1, 2. So which means one chances is correct. The other 3,149 chances is not the correct order. So that is one. That is the answer for part A. The 2 green books are at opposite ends. If the 2 green books, okay, so again, this is so many ways to arrange. And then you want 2 green books, so green here, green there. All right, so 2 green books. Well, there's only 2, so this is the only way, is to have 2 green books. So all you need to do is arranging this A books in between, the A books. So arrange the A books in between, but 4 of them are this and 4 of them are this. Okay, so these are the so many ways you can arrange 2 green books. And then these are the so many ways you can arrange all the numbers. So you put this in your calculator. Okay, so this question means there's only one correct order. But now the correct order have 2 green books on the opposite end. So you do this, the answer is 70. So now to put it in odds in ratio 1 to 69. Okay, so that's question 10. Okay, let's try question 11. Okay, you have 30 songs. Now this is the hardest one because when you just choose song, if you just choose a collection of songs, it's a C question. But then now you need to put them in a playlist to play them. Is become you need to arrange those collection, the combination that you have. Then you need to multiply that with the P. Okay, so that's the hardest question because you need to do it in 2 steps. First, you choose your collection of song, and then now for the same collection of song, if you put in a playlist in different order, it will consider a different playlist. So that's a P question. Okay, let's start. Let's try D. Now, what's the probability of choosing? Okay, first, with no restriction, all 30 songs, you just choose 9 of them. So in any order, any combination, any pop, country, alternate. And then for those songs, those 9 songs, you arrange 9 of them. Okay, so this is all the ways you can have a playlist. And this will be the same denominator for all of the question. Now, the desirable one is start and ends with a pop song. Okay, so pop. So there are 15, like there's 15 pop songs for you to choose here. There are 13 pop songs for you to choose here. The order is important here. So after you choose the first one, like if you choose AB, is considered different from like BA. So you count them differently. Just put a number. You don't need to divide by 2. Like if it's combination, you divide 2. Okay. Now you need to deal with the 7 songs in between. So the 7 songs, then now you do the following. Out of the remaining, you take out 2 pop songs, so you end with 28 songs. The remaining 28 songs, you want to choose 7 of them, and then for those 7 songs, you need to arrange 7, P7, okay? And then now, you multiply that with the first song Pop song have 15 choices times 14 for the last song. Okay, so put that in the calculator. That should be the answer for question 11. Okay, finally, let's try question 12. So I won't give that question in the test. Too difficult. Okay, question 12. A company's database requires a 3-digit access code. Victor remember the 3 digits in the code, but not the order. Okay, so remember the 3 digit. So like they could be 1, 2, 3, they could be like 2, 1, 3, but if you don't remember the order, how many order are there for 3 digit? Well, there's 6, because 3 factorial, so there's 6 different ways. Anyway, determine the probability Victor will gain access to the database on the first attempt if all 3 digits are different. Okay, so if all 6 digits are different, so it's 6, 1 out of 6, because there's only, he remembered the 3 digits, so he know the 3 digits, 1, 2, 3 for example, so he just need to try, so it's 1 out of 6. Exactly 2 of the digits are the same, so let's say the digits are 1, 1, 2, so how many ways are there to arrange that? So it could be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, there's only 3 ways. Okay, so 1 out of 3. That's a probability. An alarm is triggered if an incorrect access code is entered twice in a row. Determine the probability Victor avoid triggering the alarm if all 3 digits are different. So now, to avoid triggering the alarm, which means he didn't trigger it, so in what circumstances he won't trigger the alarm? It is if he entered the first time correct, or the first time is not correct, but the second time is correct. So these are 2 possibilities. So do you notice I say or? Either he entered right the first time, or he entered correct the second time, which implies the first time is wrong. Okay, so if all 3 digits are different, the chances of getting it right is 1/3. Right, getting it right the first time, right? All 3 digits are different, so it's 1/6. It's 1/6. So let's just put this away. It's wrong. Okay, all 3 digits are different. To get it right the first time is 1/6. 1/6. Or you plus. He get it wrong the first time, which is 5 out of 6 chances to get it wrong. 5 out of 6. Right? If 1 out of 6 get it right, which means 5 out of 6 get it wrong, this is a 5. Okay. Let's put that away. Let's write again. 5 out of 6. Okay. Times, well, he tried again. So now the second time he tried it, he already tried one combination. He won't try it again. So there's only 5 combinations left, and then one of them will be correct. So that's the answer. Okay. So just add them. So the answer should be 2 out of 6. Should be 33%. 1/3. Alright, let's try the second one. Okay, if 2 digits are the same, so there's 1/3 of chance getting it right the first time. If he don't get it right the first time, he will first need to get it wrong the first time, and then he get it right the second time. There's only 2 possibilities left. So the answer is 2/3. So it should be 33% and 66% for this question. Okay, so that's it. Hope you learned something from this video and try the practice test. Okay, your test will be similar to the practice test. And if you have any question, ask me. And if I have a chance, I can make a video or I can give you some written response. All right, see you. Bye bye. I look at the answer key and I think the answer key is wrong for part 2 and part 2 because it can't have the same answer. Okay, if 2 of the digits are the same, it's easier to get it right. So the answer in the back is wrong and Mr. Chang is correct. So just follow the logic here. All right. Okay. See you.